Do you guys like getting your asses kicked? Do you want to be the person kicking ass instead? Well, today, I have the one secret to kicking ass in my amazing and easy to follow 3-step ass kicker program. What would you be willing to pay for this amazing program? $99.99? Okay, how about $79.99? Okay, how about 5 easy payments of $39.99?
When it comes to being amazing at fighting, the real secret is getting lots and lots of repetitions of fundamentals. One of the key fundamentals that you and I need to be great at is footwork. Today, we're going to learn Bruce Lee's footwork. Now, you hear me say time and time again that in real fights, whether it be actual violence or even if you're a sport fighter, we need to be the one that has superior mental composure and focus and superior physical composure and structure in terms of our stance, where our hands are, etc. We don't want to be the one stumbling and bumbling around, tripping and falling, dropping our hands. So, huge fundamental that we need to work at. Now, Bruce Lee looked outside of the world of martial arts and he said, who has amazing lateral footwork? Who has amazing forward and back footwork? Why do they have that? How can we adopt that and modify that to fighters who need to be able to move in 360 degrees at a moment's notice while simultaneously throwing strikes, keeping their balance, and worrying about tripping hazards that are out there in the real world. So today, I'm going to introduce to you several drills that you can use to develop amazing footwork just like Bruce Lee.
First of all, never shuffle your feet unless you're doing a shuffle kick. Instead, use step and replace footwork. Shuffling puts you into a narrow hop where you can't change directions until your feet are wide again. That means you're only athletic for a moment. The rest of the time, you are committed to the direction you're going. That's not good. In the real world, you've got tripping hazards like sidewalk curbs. Shuffling is an easy way to trip and land on your butt. But if you use step and replace footwork, you will always keep your balance. To step and replace correctly, simply step with the foot closest to the direction you're going. Moving forward, step with the forward foot and replace with the rear. Moving back, step with the back foot first, and second with the front foot. Moving to your right, you got it, the right foot moves first. If you're moving to the left, you got it, your left foot moves first. Simple to remember, not easy to do. Go get your reps. It is better to make small steps than large ones. Large steps force you to commit and you can't change direction until you are planted. This makes it easy to lose your balance and get countered by your opponent. Small steps allow you to change direction at nearly any time and keeps your balance solid. Pop quiz. When can you use your footwork? Answer: when your feet are on the ground and your center of mass is low. Bouncing creates gaps of time where you cannot use your footwork. Plus, bouncing makes you an easy target for fighters with a great sense of timing. They can come in as you are on your way up. Your hips and head should move parallel with the ground. Just remember, don't break the glass ceiling. For the box drill, just move in a box while practicing all of the footwork fundamentals. Go both directions. Do this in both your right lead and in your left lead. The hot lava drill is a quick step forward and immediately backwards, or a quick step backward and immediately forward. This is great for quick in and out footwork and for counter striking. To practice circling, all you need is something to circle around. Grab a chair and do some circle footwork. The big thing here is you want to pay attention to keeping your 45-degree orientation. You don't want to wind up sideways or too open. This is a great drill to teach you how to get around to your opponent's outside. The hallway drill. Okay, for real, seriously, just walk around your house doing proper footwork. Talk about free, easy reps. Boom.
When it comes to practicing fundamentals, here's something I want you to think of. Don't practice until you can do it right. Practice it until you can't get it wrong. Folks, if you liked today's video, please hit the thumbs up icon, leave a comment below and let me know what future videos or topics you'd like to see me make. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and also click that little bell icon so you are alerted when future videos come out. Until next time, go get your reps of footwork in and become amazing.
Well, today I have the one secret to dominating a. Well, today I've got the one secret to dominating in a street fight.